This presentation is a UNCG Capstone project proposal for a social media and networking talent strategy for Compass Group North America, as presented by Louise Bajesi. In this social media and networking talent strategy project, I propose first to show the current state of social media and networking in relationship to sourcing talent for Compass Group North America, a Fortune 500 company. This will be followed by creating and implementing a social media talent strategy for Compass Group. The social media and networking talent strategy will be created in a project management format using a Gantt chart and network diagram. While I will personally be developing the plan, it will be implemented by the talent acquisition leadership and initially supported by an analyst and coordinators. The Vice President of Communications has the responsibility for social media within Compass Group North America. The talent portion of the company's social media program would work as a subset of the greater social media strategy, futuristically under the direction of a digital marketing manager with day-to-day responsibilities being completed by social marketing specialists. The project will fall into the governance of corporate social media guidelines and policies. In parallel with the development of the social media and networking strategy for Compass Group, the organization is working with leading social media and networking consultants to develop a macro program for all of Compass Group North America. The next two slides list more details around the creation and implementation of a social media and networking talent strategy. In column 1, I have listed the goals of the project. In the second column, I included all necessary action items. The third column includes the activity date, and the fourth column lists the methods, techniques, and/or technologies used. My first goal of the project is to understand the current state of social media in Compass Group. My second goal is to research and engage best-in-class processes and social analytics. This slide shows more detail in respect to the goal of implementing an influential social media and networking talent strategy. Talent acquisition is a strategic approach to identifying, attracting, and onboarding talent to efficiently and effectively meet dynamic business needs. Talent acquisition comprises of recruiting as well as other strategic components including employment branding, advertising, research, candidate relationship management, workforce planning, position competencies, metrics, and analytics. The social media talent strategies many companies are often creating touch upon at least some of these components. A social media talent strategy uses digital marketing techniques and social media to source hires and build a company's employer brand. Content is created as part of the strategy, sharing messages about the work environment and the employee culture with external talent via social mediums. By using social networking to attract talent, companies benefit from the interests of passive candidates by the utilization of an organization's online reputation. There is an impending labor crisis in the workforce with a growing shortage of qualified workers. As a result of this impending crisis, there is a declared war on talent. For companies to continue to survive and thrive during these times, they need to develop strategies to win the war. The first strategy is candidate engagement. When recruiters ask candidates to show what they can do for the company based on what they know, suddenly they're empowered to demonstrate their value beyond the list of past accomplishments that are included on their resume. This engagement leads into the second strategy, social media. Using social media, talent acquisition professionals can focus on finding the right job seekers through quality research, candidate engagement, and building talent communities. To hire the best talent, an organization needs to be creative, yet intuitive enough to understand what's important to the job seekers. The third strategy to win the war on talent is to focus on the corporate culture. Managers should be aware of information from everyone inside the organization. helping to identify what culture employees are experiencing. These internal cultural experiences are communicated through channels such as texting, email, Yammer, and links. And then externally, potential candidates can witness the culture within the internet on sites such as Glassdoor.com and Vault.com. Compass Group North America will post over 10,000 management and professional positions in 2014 and fill at least 7,400 of these jobs with qualified talent. With anticipated growth, these numbers could easily increase by 8 to 12% in 2015. In order to source and hire this many people, it is necessary to change the way Compass Group manages its talent acquisition strategies. Moving into a measurable and more comprehensive social media and networking talent strategy will assist the company in winning the war on talent. This program will improve our success in engaging and hiring external management candidates. For the creation and implementation of the project, I will use tools and resources such as quality of hire reports, a Gantt schedule and network diagram, recruiter scorecards, Node Excel technology, web-based analytical research, social networking sites, jobs to web marketing site analytics, and PeopleFluence applicant tracking system reports. The success of the social media and networking talent strategy will be measured by quality of hire reports, increased member networks such as likes and followers, shortened time to hire, increased engagement within the talent communities, increased engagement by talent acquisition team, reduced cost of hire, and overall recruitment metrics. The planning for this proposed project began in anticipation of my Capstone project. The first step was to ensure that I had permission and resources from my employer to move forward. Recently, I had the opportunity to participate in a social and mobile recruiting conference with focused topics on capturing true source of hire, social branding, beyond LinkedIn, metadata, and social networks and communities. It was also an opportunity to learn about other organizations' social media programs. Additionally, I plan to attend the LinkedIn conference this October, which will again give me the opportunity to speak to others about their social media talent programs. By implementing a social media and networking talent strategy, Compass Group will take the first big step in winning the war on talent.